Well, good morning, everybody. How are you today? Pretty good here, and welcome back to the channel. Today, let's talk about the Gladdy Board. That's what I like to call it, the Gladdy Board for the Jeep Gladiator. Anyway, what it is, literally, it's a board. It's a 2x4 cut to length so that it fits inside the Jeep Gladiator. Now, what I've done, you can see on the edges there, I've put some felt on just to kind of protect it, or protect the truck rather, from the edges scraping on the paint. Now, where does it go? Well, let me show you. It's a pretty simple concept, really. The Jeep comes with some slots in it, right? Right here, one on each side. One on the driver's side, and one on the passenger side. Now, the Gladdy Board conveniently fits in those slots, right? So, let me show you. Go ahead and get it seated in the passenger side over here, like so. And then it just goes down inside the driver's side. That's it. Now, you might be wondering, well, what is the point of it? Well, it's to keep stuff from sliding from the front or the back, depending on your perspective, of the bed. In other words, if you've gone to the grocery store, you've gotten a few things, you're going to set them here in the back because it's a lot more convenient to just open the tailgate and carry all your bags of stuff in, right? You can set them right here, and then as you're driving around, stopping and going, they're not going to end up there. And if you have a tonneau cover, that means you have to undo the tonneau cover, or maybe crawl in here and try to reach everything with the front. I'll bet you there's a lot of people that do that, and they probably go to the garage, grab a broom or a rake or something, fish up there, pull everything back to the front, and how frustrating can that be, right? You don't have that with the Gladdy Board, right? You just put your stuff here, and it won't go floating up to the front. That is the purpose of it. Some people go with a taller version, a 2x6. This is a 2x4. You could even go with a 2x8 probably if you really wanted a wall there. I didn't think it was necessary, just a stop, if you will, to keep things from rolling up to the front. Now, as far as purchasing these things, I didn't purchase it. I don't know if there's anybody that sells them or not. There probably is, but I made it myself. Just went and got a 2x4, cut it to length, and then put the caps on the end, in this case felt. I do have something else I'm going to try, so stay tuned for that, maybe to make that part a little more finished and a little easier. And then I just got some hood letters. In this case, I got Gladiator. You could get anything you want, even custom if you want to. And what I'm talking about, those letters actually are for the side of the hood here. A lot of people will put something different along here if they don't have a Rubicon or a Mojave. That Gladiator would go right there, those letters. So I just placed those on the board, again, to kind of dress it up a little bit. I think it looks pretty darn cool in there. I love the look of it, but pretty easy to do. And it's a fun little project, actually. And of course, close up the tailgate, and it's protected and hidden. If you do it, you don't have to seal it or anything, and you don't have to go fancy like I did. You could just put a piece of even treated lumber in there, slap a handle on the top to make it easier to remove, you know, right here, and you'll be good to go. I'll leave a link to the video where I did mine down below, so if you want to see how I did it, again, pretty simple and a fun little project, maybe something to even to get the kiddies involved. Let them paint it for you. Hey, it's cheap labor. Also, real quick, if you're interested, check out my other two channels. The first is Rob Motive, all about my 2020 Toyota Tacoma up there. The other is Rob Motive Civic, all about my experiences with the Honda Civic Hatch and the Honda Civic Type R. Check those out if you would. Click that subscribe button. Also, real quick, don't forget to smash that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. And do me a favor, hit that subscribe button on the way out. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. Bye.